Yo, so in the other video, I was showing my own setup for how I use Axiom and my side screen over here. This is just going to be a beginner video about how to use Axiom for your first time and like where everything is, how it works. So you got your Twitter alerts, so like the basic tweet tracker. You can put that on either side. Like, so both sides of a screen, you can just like stick it on. Same with your wallet tracker as well. This as well, so like I can move it as a panel, or I can also like stick it to one of the sides. So just like, you know, whatever kind of screen you like, you can do it like that. Of course, like Pulse is where you'll spend a lot of time. You got your new pairs, final stretch, and migrated coins. And, you know, to change the filters, you just do it like this. I mean, it's pretty similar to the other platforms, you know, like, and then you can allow Launch Lab, which is the new thing from Radium, Radium Direct, Moonshot, all of that. For each of them, you know, you can edit Dex paid, see it ends in pump, all of the stuff, age, top 10 holders, dev holding. I'm not even like doing any of these ones, but you can if you want on like all of these different filters. So yeah, that's the first setup stuff, is just like your own Pulse page. And then trackers, you're going to be, you know, you add like to your wallets one by one. Wallet manager, you can import lists from Bullx, and you can export lists you have outside of Axiom as well. Then you've got perpetuals. So yeah, you can trade up to 20x leverage just on perps using the interface inside Axiom, which is super handy. Like, so I can hop over to trading Solana itself if there's not much going on in the meme market. You got yield, where you can actually stake USDC. You can stake Solana on the platform as well. Portfolio, you can look at your trade. You can look at your trade history here. Yeah, like so all the trades in here. Your top 100 stuff. So I'm just using a new wallet on Axiom at the moment. And you can also import a wallet from outside as well. This is one I created inside Axiom, and you can easily create more wallets inside Axiom by clicking wallet and just keep like creating more wallets in here. So it's super easy. You can even multi-wallet like inside of here easily too. Yeah. So yeah, the one sol challenge that I've been doing on this wallet, and yeah, and the rewards tab. So like as you get more points, you start to get more multiplier on your rewards, and you can start claiming sol on your volume, so it just starts to add up. But yeah, so like if you know, I got like 20, I've only got 25 on my code at the moment, but if you get more people on your code and they do big volume, then you will get more rewards and your sol earned will increase. Yeah, so like that's pretty much a quick tutorial of how to basically use like the main top dashboard on Axiom. And like, yeah, on Discover, you can also filter by 24-hour, 6-hour or stuff, and you can order like what's got the most volume. So you try to not miss some of the stuff that's already running. And then as for trading a coin itself, obviously this is a sketchy chart, obviously, but let me try find another token. So like a play that I just did just before was on Enjoyer, which was tweeted by Jupiter. And that had a pretty big run just before. Well, I'll just find in my history because I was just trading it just before. So yeah, Enjoyer. So as for trading on a coin, yeah, like you'll see the interface like Bullx. You've got your notifications of every tracked wallet when they buy and sell on the chart, which is super interesting. Like, this is why having all this information in one place is critical, because I can see all of this at once, you know, my Twitter tracker, all the wallets, what they're doing. You know, I can look down, I can see all the top traders, the dev information, my preset quick buys. I can just click, you know, just one click. So I'm in for 1 sol, 2 sol, sell. You can put more buttons as well, like sell 10%, 25% clips. You can see all the dev history. When you click on dev tokens, you got everything that they've done before. So you can see like how many of this dev's tokens have migrated, what other similar tokens there are. It's got basic token information like the top 10 holding, how much the dev still holds, how much the snipers still hold, percentage insiders, bundles, and the liquidity pool being burned. How many holders, how many pro traders is how many traders are using like a trading bot. And paid DEX, DEX paid, you can already see it straight away like on the main token screen. So this is super interesting, quick fitting research, basic research, like all just given to you right here inside Axiom. Top traders, I can see profit.eth like was a number 2 trader on this. Any of these wallets, I could name them right now. Like, say if I'm interested now in the top trader, I'm interested in the top trader right now of Enjoyer. So we can see their wallet here. I can scan their address right now and see their profit history, all their trades in here, and they've been pretty profitable on this wallet. So like, if I wanted to add this guy to my wallet tracker, I just edit this here, and I'll type in, for example, Enjoyer top trader. Yeah, so like I know which coin they're in, like they're a top trade or whatever. That's how you add someone to your track wallet. Wallet tracked successfully. You can make a alert or not, so it pings you with a sound. So either an alarm bell or not, you can turn it off, and they're saved in your wallet tracker now. That's a pretty basic tutorial of how to trade a coin in this platform, and what all of the banners and information you can get all in one place. Axiom is also updating a lot of new features, so you can always like see on the Axiom Twitter page what new updates are coming out, and they tell you every time. So yeah, like they're always going to be updating and bringing out new stuff. Give them feedback on the Twitter page. And yeah, like that's how the platform just keeps getting better and better. You can use the BullX tweet tracker as well as an extra thing on your screen. So yeah, if you've enjoyed this video, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and you can also join my free channel, which is Wolf Crypto Calls on Telegram. And if you're wanting to join my private community, you can DM me on Telegram @ThomasWall. Hope you enjoyed the video and enjoyed the tutorial, and see you in the next video.